Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu GBA on Android. First, it's important to understand that Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu is actually a Nintendo Switch game, not a Game Boy Advance title. Therefore, you cannot play it using a GBA emulator. This guide will instead focus on how to enjoy classic Game Boy Advance Pokémon games directly on your Android device, providing a similar nostalgic experience with different titles. We will cover all the necessary steps to get you started. Next, you'll need to choose a suitable Game Boy Advance emulator for your Android device. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for GBA emulator. Look for highly rated options such as MyBoy, Free, or John GBA Lite. These emulators often provide excellent performance and features like quick save states, fast forward, and customizable controls. Always check user reviews and ensure the app receives regular updates for the best experience and compatibility with various Android versions. Once your emulator is installed, the next step is to obtain the Game Boy Advance Pokémon game ROMs. These are the digital files of the games themselves. It's crucial to acquire these ROMs legally, for example, from games you already own. Ensure the files are in the correct GBA format. After downloading, transfer these ROM files to a specific folder on your Android device, perhaps one named GBA ROMs for easy organization and access by your chosen emulator application. Finally, open your GBA emulator application. It will typically scan your device for game ROMs. If not, manually navigate to the folder where you saved your Pokémon game files. Once loaded, you can configure the on-screen controls to your liking or connect a Bluetooth gamepad for a more authentic feel. Adjust video and audio settings for the best experience. Remember to use both the in-game save feature and the emulator's save states to protect your progress across your exciting Pokémon adventures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.